Welcome to my channel Connection. Today we will discuss Excel for the beginners. I am working on Excel 2016, but it is almost same for Excel 2007 and above, apart from a few differences. First, we need to start Excel. We can do it in various ways. If there is an icon of Excel in the desktop, we can click on it and enter Excel. If there is an icon of Excel in the taskbar, we can click it and enter Excel. In the search box, type Excel and Excel application appears, click on it. Now we get Excel start screen. Here, Excel shows lot of templates. We can open any templates. After a few modifications, we can use it as per our requirement. If you click Take a Tour, you can learn about some Excel skills. On the top, you can click any category under the suggested search. You can search template online also. Click blank document to start Excel. An Excel document is a workbook. At the top, you see a workbook named Book 1. Book 1 is a new, unsaved and displayed by default. Worksheet are the pages within a workbook. We can insert many workbooks by clicking the plus sign beside the workbook. We can delete a sheet by selecting the desired sheet and click right button from the pop-up menu. We click on delete. We can also rename a sheet. Just double click on the name of the sheet and change its name. To hide a sheet, right-click on the name of the sheet, select Hide, and from the pop-up menu, the sheet will be disappeared. To unhide a sheet, right-click on the name of the sheet and unhide from the pop-up menu. Select all sheets. Right-click to any sheet, select all sheet from the pop-up menu. All sheet will be selected. To deselect a sheet, click any of the sheet except the source sheet. The shortcut to select all sheet in a workbook, to click any sheet of either corner and press shift button and click on the other corner. All sheets will be selected. If you want to select only 2 or more than sheets, but not all the sheets, click on the sheets, then hold Control button from your keyboard and click Desired Sheets. Specific sheets will be selected. Change the tab color. Select a sheet and right-click on the button. The pop-up menu will appear. Click on the tab color and from the color palette choose the desired color. The sheet tab color will be changed. To change all the color of a worksheet, select all sheet first. Click the right button and from the pop-up menu choose a color from the color palette. The color of the all tabs will be changed. After color, the sheet tabs, if you want to return to the original color, then select the tab color and from the pop-up menu choose no color. Move a sheet. To move a sheet, select the desired sheet, then drag and drop the sheet to a new location. To copy a sheet, hold Ctrl button and place to a new location and release the button. This is for today. Stay tuned until my next video, which I will upload very shortly. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.